Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today my video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to be talking about fashion. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review for an eco-friendly and sustainable brand called VIVAIA. So this brand reached out to me to review some of their products, and this video is not sponsored. They did gift me these, but I will be giving my honest opinion. So I just wanted to make that as a disclaimer. So if you're interested in checking them out, the link is in my description box below. So if you haven't heard about VIVAIA, they're a sustainable footwear brand that uses sustainable materials in their products. So they mostly have shoes, but they do have some other things as well, like accessories and bags. And their price range is about $65 to $100, which is about normal for shoes. But for the amount of work they put in and the materials that they use, I think they're on the lower range compared to their competitors. And what's cool about this is that their shoes are made from recyclable bottles. So they collect the bottles from the ocean, and then in the factory they clean them up. And then they have a machine that cuts the plastic into chips and then puts them into the material. So then they're left with this kind of thread, and then they use this 3D printing technology to make the material. So this is my first time hearing about this, and I think it's pretty cool. I mean, if you just think about how many plastic bottles are in the ocean, it's crazy. So I think it's really cool how they take these plastic bottles from the ocean and then they turn them into shoes in fashion. These days I'm seeing a lot more brands trying to incorporate sustainability into their products, so it's really cool that VIVAIA is also doing this, and hopefully some other brands can try it as well. Okay, so for me I picked two things. Black boots, because I love a black boot, and then I also picked a tote bag. I think it's a tote bag. It's just a bag, maybe it's a tote bag. It looks like a tote bag. It's pretty big. So I bought both of those things. So I chose black boots even though I have some, because they look like they're more comfortable than the ones I have. And also the style is really cool. I really like the design. I'll show you in a second, but yeah, that's why I chose the black boots. And then I chose the tote bag because it's kind of weird, but I don't really use a purse. Because I live in a big city, so I carry around a tote bag most of the time, because when I'm out, sometimes I pick up some groceries here and there. I don't do like a big grocery haul. So sometimes when I'm coming back from work, I'll stop by the grocery store and then I'll pick up like some vegetables, whatever I need, and I put it in my tote bag because it's bigger and it's more convenient. I can just throw it over my shoulder. But my tote bag is like kind of busted right now. So I need a new one. I need an upgrade. But first, let's look at the packaging. Not only are the shoes eco-friendly and recyclable, but the packaging is as well. So they say that the cardboard is made out of recyclable paper. They say, I think 90% is used out of recyclable paper. And they try not to use a lot of artificial colors as well. So here it shows that they use water bottles. I wonder how they actually do that. Like, what's the process of making a plastic bottle into a shoe? I'm not sure. All right, so let's open it up. So this is the shoe that I got. So it does have this paper packaging and this little sticker that has the logo. Oh, so they do have this paper measuring stick right here. I think they use this because the material they use, it's quite form-fitting. Really important that you do measure your feet beforehand. So then it has a little guide for the shoe care. So they say don't dry clean, don't bleach, and use cold water wash. So also with these shoes, you can wash them. So if they get kind of dirty, you can put them in the laundry and you can wash these shoes. This is actually like a real unboxing. See, the sticker's still on there. I wanted a real reaction. Yes. See what I mean by stylish? These are so cool. Wow. I love the design on this. Like, especially the heel, how it goes in like that. What's also nice about this is that there's no lace. You know, sometimes I do want a lace look, but this is just really like chic and form-fitting, and that's what I really liked about this. The material is actually really nice. So yeah, it seems like it's really form-fitting, and it's stretchy too. So I think this can fit narrow feet and wide feet. I like this round square shape. So these are the deep ebony boots, and they also have different colors like light brown, burgundy, and silver. And I like these boots because I can just pair them with any outfit like jeans, maybe some tights and a skirt. I think it's perfect for the fall. What's great about these is that they fit perfectly. They're not too tight and they're really comfortable. But with these, because of the cloth material, it doesn't hurt the back of my ankle. Okay, so let's check out the insole. Oh, okay, good. I was worried because it's quite hard here, right? So this is a pretty good quality, but I was worried because sometimes I have shoes, and if the bottom is really hard and if they don't have a good insole, then it can really hurt my feet, especially with heels. So I think walking for a long time in these won't be an issue. This is one thing that I was kind of worried about because I do have shoes that are similar to this, but the insole is just pretty much non-existent. So I can just feel like the hard heel like right on my feet, and it kills. So it's nice that they do have like a cushiony insole as well. And then this cool heel part. So this is made from ABS. I'm going to really butcher the name, so I'll just put it here. Okay, so this is a kind of plastic, and it's the same plastic that Legos are made out of. It's a really strong plastic, and they can easily melt it down and remold it. So it's easily recyclable, which is why they use this kind of plastic here. So they do have boots, but they also have other styles as well. They do have sandals, they have sneakers, loafers, they even have men's shoes. I usually like to choose a kind of solid design, but they do have some other designs out there like stripes and some patterns too, and they do have some colors. Okay, so that was the boots. So let's check out the second item that I got. So I got a bag, and it came in this tote bag. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to reuse this tote bag. It seems that they use some type of recycled material as well for this. So this is not the bag, this is just what it came in. So this is a reusable bag, and I'm gonna take it out. It's not wrapped in plastic, which is good. So as you can see, it is a black bag, kind of tote style bag. This is also made out of recyclable material, and it's machine washable. So I can put this in the machine and wash it. That's cool. And from the tag, I'm seeing that it's also used with water bottles. So here, this is a very simple design, but there are some details that make it a little bit more fashionable. So they have some stitching here. You can see it's a little bit see-through. Here they have the logo, VIVAIA here, and then a square on the side. They have their logo as well popping out here. And what's cool about this is that the handles here are really, really thick. I don't know if you can see it, but they are quite thick and sturdy. So I think it will be easy to just wrap around, carry it around, and it's actually perfect size for a laptop. Since I've been editing a lot more recently, I usually edit at home, but I want to go to like a cafe and get out of my house sometimes and edit. So this will be really cool. I think I can put my laptop in here. So I think this will be really nice, especially with my black boots. That's why I got it, because I wanted to match my outfit. And this is something that I actually needed because I wanted this kind of bag where it can fit my laptop and is a kind of tote style, but also fashionable. So I picked this one. I really want to see like a behind the scene process where they use the 3D knitting technology, because I feel like that would just blow my mind. Like, how did they do that? There are little chips of like water bottles in this. How do they do it? I don't know. So anyways, overall, I am quite satisfied with these products. I was like, is the quality gonna be there? I'm not sure. Is it gonna be that fashionable? Because you know, sometimes with these like eco-friendly and sustainable brands, it's great that they're eco-friendly and they're sustainable. It's awesome, but usually they lack in like being fashionable. So it's great that there is a brand that is also incorporating really like chic, stylish products, because I don't think there are many. So it's really cool that this brand is also doing both. So this is a brand that I do really support. So if you do like these products and you want to see more, I do have the link in my description, and I do have a coupon code for you. So I will leave this here. So if you buy within this month, it will be 20%. Next month will be 18% off your order. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And if you are interested in these products and you buy any, or if you know any other fashionable, sustainable brands, leave a comment below, because I'm also interested in buying them as well. So I hope you guys like this video. Bye! See you next time.